Dear students, today we will discuss about the new chapter more on Windows 7. In this session, we will know what Windows 7 is. We will follow it up with Windows Media Player and how to use it to watch video files. To know ripping and burning a CD, DVD using Windows Media Player. To know how to display two windows side by side. We will then explore the picture folder and end our discussion with this cleanup feature in Windows 7. Now we will discuss about Windows 7. So children, what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system that was produced by Microsoft for use on personal computers. It became available to the public on October 22, 2009. It allows a computer to manage software and perform essential tasks. It has a graphical user interface, in short GUI, that allows you to interact with items on the screen using a keyboard and mouse. It has a variety of new features which will be discussed in a subsequent session. Now we will discuss Windows Media Player. So, what is the need of Windows Media Player in Windows 7? Windows Media Player is a software application from Microsoft. It runs and organizes digital media files like digital audio, images and videos. We can use Windows Media Player to play and organize the songs, create playlists and copy music to a portable device like smartphone. In the next two slides, you will be shown how to locate Windows Media Player in your computer and also play video files on the screen. Now we will see how to locate Windows Media Player on the computer screen. See the steps. Click on the Start button. It is located on the taskbar to the extreme left of your screen. Select all programs. Then all the program list will be displayed. Now choose Windows Media Player. Then the Windows Media Player will open. In the next slide, we choose a video to play on the Windows Media Player. So, we saw how we can watch videos on Windows Media Player. Now, we will see what ripping is. The process of copying songs from our CD, that is compact disc, DVD, that is digital video disc, onto our computers with Windows Media Player is called ripping. We can use Windows Media Player to play and organize the songs, create playlists and copy music to portable devices like smartphone, etc. So, once you rip a CD, you can listen to the songs directly from your computer. In the next slide, you will see the steps how to rip a CD. In this slide, you can see how to rip a CD to your computer. Now see the steps. Insert the CD you want to copy from in the CD drive. Click on the Start button. Then select all programs. Choose Windows Media Player. Check each song you want to read. Uncheck songs you don't want to import into your library. Now click to begin ripping. In this way, we can rip CD into your computer. Now see what is burning. To burn a CD simply means to copy or write information onto a compact disc or CD. The process of copying data from computer to CD is called burning. In the next slide, you will see the steps how to burn a CD. Now see burning a CD. See the steps one by one. Open your pictures library from Start menu and select your desired photos. Click the Burn button. Insert a blank CD or DVD into your disk drive. Decide how you want to use the disk. Type a name for your disk, HCS, that is Happy Convent School, and click Next. Then click the Burn to Disk button to start copying your photos to the disk. Now we will see how we can display two application windows side by side in Windows 7. Open Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint programs one by one. The PowerPoint window is active at present. Now right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Now click on the Show Window Side by Side option from the shortcut menu. Then both the application windows will be displayed side by side. In this way, we can display two application windows side by side. Now we explore the picture folder where all the pictures are displayed. At first, select the Start button and then click Pictures. The picture folder will open. By default, the pictures are displayed as thumbnails in the Pictures library. Now, to view all pictures, click Slideshow. Then we can see the pictures one by one. Now see Disk Cleanup. Disk Cleanup is a Microsoft software utility first introduced with Windows 98 and included in all subsequent releases of Windows. So see how it helps the computer. It removes all unnecessary files from the computer, including temporary internet files, downloaded program files, and offline web pages. Disk Cleanup also empties the recycle bin. It frees up the disk space, which helps the computer to run fast. It improves the performance of the hard disk. So, running Disk Cleanup at least once in a month is an excellent maintenance task. Next class, we will continue with our discussion on more on Windows 7 and solve the objective problems. Thank you, class.